Notre Dame Cathedral began construction in 1877 and was completed in 1880. Every material, the marcel bricks, the stained glass windows, the steel frames, even the bells, were shipped all the way from France. At first, the cathedral had no bell towers. Only in 1895 were the twin spires added, lifting its height to nearly 60 meters, forever changing Saigon's skyline. In 1959, the statue of Our Lady of Peace was placed at the front square, becoming a spiritual landmark for generations. And despite the wars that swept through Vietnam from 1945 to 1975, the cathedral's core structure remained remarkably intact, a survivor of history. Few people know this. Beneath the feet of Our Lady of Peace statue lies a small hidden chamber, once holding a silver box filled with hundreds of prayers for peace in Vietnam and around the world. These prayers came from everywhere, engraved on metal, written on paper, leather, even bronze, each one of which sent across continents. The statue itself was carved in 1959 from pure Italian white marble, standing 4.6 meters tall and weighing nearly 8 tons, a symbol of hope, of faith, of peace. In 2005, a rumor spread that the statue had shed a tear. The church confirmed it wasn't true, yet the story lives on, woven into the folklore surrounding this beloved monument.